visible? Can you see the screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So the next topic is like how we are going to present our photographs into the court. So photographs, if it is a normal photograph generated from your SLR in previous days, we are not having like digital photographs. Okay. So all the photographs generated by the negative film was produced in the court in the manner of just like your other documents are produced as an evidence. In the same manner, the photographs also, they were produced into the court as a in the manner of your documentary evidences. But then again, what happened is like with the introduction of your digital devices, when the digital cameras came into function. So what happened is the chances of manipulation also came. Okay. So there was a requirement for some standard which should be made in order to produce those electronic evidences into the court. Because the court wants an authentic and original thing to take into consideration before giving their judgment. So the judge should rely on original matter and not on some tampered or altered document. Okay. So because of that reason, some changes were made in the Indian Evidence Act. Okay. So like the digital photographs, the advantage or if we talk about the SLR cameras or the analog cameras, where the photographs were developed from the negatives. Okay. So in that case, what happened is, suppose a photograph is produced from the negative, and again, uh, if the from the same negative, if again the photograph is to be reproduced. So if you go on doing such a kind of activity, like from the same negative, if you are developing the original photographs again and again, so as a result, what will happen is slowly the quality of the picture is going to degrade. The quality will not be very much clear. That is in case of your SLR, where you are generating the photographs, you are developing the photographs from the negatives. Whereas like in the same manner in the same case of your SLR camera also, once you have generated the photograph from your negative, and again if you want to make a photograph from the photograph itself, so that is also possible. So if you do that thing, then again what will happen, the clarity, the picture quality, the photograph quality, that is going to degrade. It will not remain the same. Okay. That is what happening, that is what it is happening in case of analog cameras. But when the digital camera came into action, when the digital photographs were recorded, so during that time, the advantage of the digital camera was like, as we have already learned, like there are a lot many advantages of digital cameras. And number of photographs we can take, so many photographs we can take. Whatever photograph is not recorded, at the same time we can delete and reshoot that thing. Okay. Then again, coming to the picture thing, the image, the digital image. The advantage of that digital image is like, if you make a copy of that image, if you are making, if you are having an image into your phone, if you copy that image and make some other folder and copy that same photo into another folder, again you copy that same picture and make another folder and copy that same picture. So if you repeat this process again and again, still the quality of your photograph will remain the same. Quality will remain the same. It is not like if you are going on repeating that copy paste option. So as a result, it is not like the quality of the photograph is not going to degrade. The quality of the photograph will remain the same. Okay. So this is one thing. Then again, the advantage is like, suppose if you want to send some image from your place to my phone or in my place. So if it is a general analog cameras photos, it will take 3 or 4 days to come by post. Whereas uh, if you are transferring the digital images, digital captured images, so once within a fraction of second or 2 or 3 seconds, you can transfer those images from your place to my devices. So within less period of time, the image is being transported from one place to the other, and that too without losing the quality. The quality is not going to degrade. So ultimately, we are retaining the quality of the image and we can transfer the image from one place to another. So those are like some of the advantages of your digital images. And later on, we will come to identify like how it is being identified. Okay, whether it is a copy paste or not. Okay, that is a secondary thing. So so here what we can say is photographs drawn through a digital camera are admissible as evidence into the court of law, provided the procedure prescribed there is complied with. So what the line says is the digital photographs, they are admissible into the court, but there are some conditions. The conditions are laid, or the conditions are made for producing those digital images. Why? Because the chances of manipulation is there, chances of alteration can be there. So in order to avoid that situation, to avoid those circumstances, we are having some standards. Okay, so the problem, like not the problem, the drawback of our country in one field is like in India, we are not having any organization which can regulate the standards for these things. Like if you compare to Western countries, America is there, Europe is there. So in other countries, there are organizations like NIST is there, which